Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install developer beta profile 15 on iPhone. There is iOS 14.4 on my iPhone. Let's use direct iOS 15. Go to the Safari browser and search betaprofile.com. Then tap on download beta profile. Here is the official page for iOS beta profile. Here is all beta profile for what you need for iPad, for watch, for TV, for audio, for MacBook. Too many profile you can find here. We need to download iOS 15, so tap on install and tap on install anyway. Then click close and open setting. Here you see profile downloaded, so tap on here. Tap on install. Tap on install and install. And come back to the setting. Go to general and software update. See guys, now you can download beta 15 on your iPhone. So tap on download and install. It's gonna take a long time. I'm gonna skip this. Now it's successfully downloaded. So tap on install and wait for the verifying update. And after this, it's gonna take a lot time, so I'm gonna skip this. Now see guys, your phone was updated successfully and this is looking so cool. Skip all process. iPhone was updated or not. Tap on setting and general and about. iPhone was successfully updated. You can see iOS 15 installed now successfully. Thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe.